si Shira, ano siya, scholar siya. And then, what happened, we bump into each other. Kumbaga, parang at first nasa car ako, and then she sees me. Tapos bigla, I'm driving off bigla, tapos na ano siya, she's tripping, and then gaganti siya. Kumbaga, she puts something in my food, and then when I'm eating it, di ba, parang sasakting siya ko ganun. And I have to go for the CR, so napahiya ako dahil sa kanya. And then, that's when I got her, told her, you're gonna be my slave. Kasi kung hindi, papa-expel kita, ganun. Pumayag naman siya, pero may sweldo naman siya, 5,000 a day. So, and then from there on, we started pala to love each other, like each other, until naging kami sa first month.
And yung book 2 will be
kami na,
a continuation of your love story.
Pero what happens there, babalik yung ex-girlfriend ko dun sa story, which is being portrayed by Yasi Pressman. And she's like my ex-girlfriend before, and then she went out of the country, bumalik siya. Tapos, nung pinakilala ko yung girlfriend ko sa dad ko, ayaw niya. Parang ganyan. And then, he wants my ex-girlfriend to be my wife. So magiging gusto ng arranged marriage. So maraming mangyayari.
Siguro sobrang relatable sa'yo yung role mo, no, as Mr. Popular. Nung nasa school ka ba?
Ako yung parang Mr. Nova. Ako yung Mr. Nova.
Sa school talaga ba? Saan school ba to?
Kasi marami po. I was first year high school Philippines, and then yung iba sa England. Hindi naman ako popular. Ano lang ako? Class clown lang ako. So, medyo it was difficult for me being mayabang and parang sika. Kasi ako yung binuli ng bata. So, parang baliktad naman yun. I have to bully others. I have to be mayabang. So, lagi ako sa taping. They always remind me, Mark, yabang ka ba? Yabang ka ba?
Paano ka pinuli, Mark? Chismosa?
Ano lang, siguro, payat ako nun eh.
Saan yan sa England?
Germany, England. Yeah, I was, sobrang payat po ako nung bata ako.
Hindi naman dahil Pinoy.
Hindi naman. And they wouldn't even think I'm Pinoy. Kasi malayo yung issue ko sa dad ko. For my mom,
on an ordinary day, yung mga usual na interest, yes.
Gym. Pag wala,
we can see that.
Makita mo ka.
Ang payat niya kaya, friend.
Yun kaya yung una mong napansin.
Of course.
And then, nagigitara ako, and then sometimes going out with family.
Girls.
You mentioned nagigitara ka, so kumakanta ka rin ba?
Yun nga nahihirapan eh. Kasi I'm still taking lessons. Sa sayaw okay lang ako, pero sa pagkanta hindi ko.
Mark, nagtatanong sa sino daw jowa mo ngayon? Kasi gusto niyo mag-apply.
Wala po.
So pwede.
Wala na.
Meaning, bro lang. Bro! Bakit wala, Mark?
Parang okay naman ako sa work ko, di ba? Parang I'm happy naman what I'm doing sa work ko, and parang career muna. So okay sa akin.
You're in this heartthrob status, so girls would love to know, ano bang type mo sa girls?
Simple, for me simple lang, Pinay.
Oh my God!
Pinay pwede. Anong kulay? Pwede yung medyo tan.
Oh my God! Medyo tan lang. Sobra na, friend.
Magpapagugulan tayo na ako. 5 bote.
Pinay daw.
Yung dad ko naman baligtad eh. Yung dad ko gusto yung foreigner. Kasi Pinoy yung dad ko. Gusto niya, yung naging nanay ko, Croatian, nanay ko. Tapos stepmom ko naman is Poland.
Polish. European talaga yung heritage.
I finished na po in England.
Ano course?
College. 16, finished na ako nun. Mabilis dun eh. 1 year, 2 year, 3 year course.
Talaga?
Yeah. Travel and tourism. Yeah.
So, paano ano yun? Tourism, so paano pwede ka mag-.
Flight attendant. Kasi yung sabi ko nun kasi palipad-lipa ako ng school, so when I got to England, they put me almost last year ng high school. Ako naman, I don't know much pa kasi I just came from first year high school Philippines. And then when I went to England, they put me last year high school agad. Yeah, no, because my age. Depende sa age. Yun. As in, we're here, kahit 20 ka, you can still be second year, di ba? If hindi kayo pumasa. Dun sa England, because of my age, they put me last year.
You have to take test.